Hi guys and welcome back. Kiddwaya gets fresh strike from Biggie as Erica receives final warning. Kiddwaya has gotten a new strike from Biggie while his babe Erica also got a strong and last warning for an offense Biggie was not going to let slide. Biggie summoned the housemates to the living room and they were all scared and hoping they have not done anything wrong to Biggie, and he opened up Kiddwaya and Erica's cases. According to him, the two housemates were caught on camera flipping their fingers to the camera while they were in the head of house lounge. According to him, this happened on the day they were both issued a strike for going against the HOH lounge rules, but he decided to let it slide. The two of them were seen in a video clip played by Biggie where they both did their fingers in a way that it means something vulgar. The first person to do that was Kiddwaya, who raised his index finger to the camera, and later Erica did as too. Biggie said he decided to bring the issue up today because Kiddwaya did the same thing to the camera yesterday, meaning he chose to disrespect him and the viewers. To that end, he gave Erica the very last warning and gave Kiddwaya a strike for doing the disrespectful act the second time. He warned them that they both have one more strike left for them to be disqualified from the show. Organizer of the show had earlier promised a major shake-up today, and the question is if this is it or there are more to come. So guys, what do you think about this strike Kiddwaya got and the final warning Erica got for her part in all of this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But guys, for me, I think Biggie didn't do well. He should have just given Erica the strike and let her leave, since she's been foolish and ignorant. So guys, that's my opinion on this. Please let me know yours in the comment section, and also if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.